I usually just take a shower and then like wet my hair in the shower because having to do this takes a really long time. No, I need a towel. I'm gonna comb through my hair now. Okay, so now you want to part your hair wherever you want your hair to like lay. I'm gonna get my phone. This is the one I use. It's not the one I usually use, but I ran out of that and then I couldn't find it in the store, so I had to settle for this. But this smells really good though, but it doesn't hold as good as the other one. Well, if I remember, I'm gonna have a picture somewhere over here. I mean, I really don't even use mousse to hold the what is it called? The waves. I just use it to like flatten it. Yo, I'm so hungry. So when you're doing it, you're kind of making like a C. Like, you make a C, and then you make a C, but like it's a front and back C, basically. Right at the top of my my part, a C, a C. This is just to show y'all. Do y'all see how I made the C's? Do y'all see the C's? Are y'all seeing the C's? Period, poo. Okay, so I don't really like that. That was kind of just like a trial. Okay. Okay, so now that I got right here, I want my hair to kind of like an extra length right here. So I kind of bring the hair, I push it to the front. Okay, when you have extra product like that, that means you put too much gel. This has been making me feel so dizzy. I don't know if I did this to my liking, but anyways, so there's little parts where it's like right here, it's not really like connected. I just bring my comb and connect it like right here. Just connect it with your comb, and voila. I'm gonna leave it right here for now. Get to the rest when I get to the back. Some more gel. I feel so drowsy. I need to go eat something like ASAP, no Rocky. Let me see if I can move the camera and face it over here. With this side though, I never know, because sometimes I kind of want to go like with it facing like that, and sometimes sideways. I'll be like I don't really like it like that. I usually do mine's coming forward some. So I'm gonna start from right here, like somewhere over here, and what this is. It's mad whitish, I know, but it's gonna dry and it's not gonna look like that. This is still not usually how I do it. Yeah, I'm gonna do it over. It's kind of getting dry. I'm gonna wet it some more. Okay. So starting from right here. Do I like that? Yeah, that's valid. Okay. So this part right here. Okay, I'll make this better. So connect everything back. Just gonna comb that down. Unless you wanna go through how I did this part. Just comb that down, honestly. Like, unless you got time. See, don't do what I did. Don't put too much gel. It's gonna dry anyways, but still, you don't want all that extra gel. So obviously, I usually go as far back as that, but I didn't, so I'm not really gonna touch this for now. I'm just gonna go ahead and move to the back. You're gonna need, I don't know, whatever size mirror you got. This is my little mirror that I use when I'm finger whipping my hair. Oh nah, I put mad gel, y'all. Like, don't. I recently had to cut my hair again, so I got like bold spots. Not really bold spots, but like shorter spots. I was literally just cutting my hair, like I wasn't. Once you finger wave it, it's not even gonna look as bad. This part honestly makes me drowsy AF, cause like, it's like I'm looking backwards and I'm trying to do something backwards. Perfect. I just be so dizzy, like I can't. So you're gonna do this again, the C's. You're gonna make the C's again, but you wanna try and like connect where you left off. Okay. I mean, I tried to connect, but I think it's so freaking annoying. Okay, if that's the best I can do, then that's the best I can do. But with practice, practice makes perfect. If it's not really sticking, that means you don't got enough gel. Whew. Is this the part I'm doing? Oh, it is. Oh! I'm an idiot. I don't remember putting gel on this side, but ooh. I literally feel like throwing up. I need some energy before I can finish. All right. Whatever just happened. I'm gonna do this part over. Ugh. This is frustrating. Perfect. And I'm just gonna say I'm done now. Alright, y'all, so it's been like 5 minutes, honestly. It's still not completely dry. But I just wanted to close this video. And my head is hurting, so I'm probably about to go take a nap. Pretty much how it looks. little spot right here that I didn't touch, but that's okay. All right. It's pretty much how I do my finger waves when I do my finger waves, because honestly, I'm always wearing a hat. Like, I don't even have time to do this. Special occasions only. Obviously, I'm still learning, but practice makes perfect. So we're gonna keep practicing and we're gonna get it right. Anyway, so this is pretty much the end of the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope y'all get something from it, and see y'all in the next video.